This video is going to show you how to construct a translation along vector AB, and we are going to perform the translation to triangle P1, P2, P3. So the first step is to get the length of the vector. How much are we moving that triangle? What distance are we moving it? Well, the length of the vector. So place the clear piece, the end of the compass at A, the end of the ray, and the hole at the end of the arrow. And you're going to take that distance and you're going to go to P1, P sub 1 really, and you're just going to draw an arc with it. About that's good. You only want to go down because the triangle's moving down. There's no point in doing a whole circle. Taking the same distance, we're not moving anything, okay? The same distance, the length of the vector, go to P2. About half a circle you draw. Okay, I'm going to go to P3, same thing. Again, you only really need to go down with it, so below that point, okay, about half of a circle. Okay, so that's how far down each of our points are going. So we know that our 3 points are going to be on those 3 arcs. Well, where are they going to be? That's the next step. Next, we have to get the direction of where those points are going. So what you want to do, let me flip the compass around, you're going to place the end of the compass on A, the start of that ray. And you're going to place the hole where the pen or pencil goes on P1. We'll do that one first. Okay, so get the distance from the end of the compass A to P1. And you're going to take that compass and slide it down the vector. So look at the vector. Look at the vector when I do it. Slide it down, and once you get to the end of the vector B, you are going to make an arc. I just want the direction of the vector, so I know that P1 is going to move to that point. We'll label at the end. Do it again to P2. End of the compass on A, hole on P2. Okay, so adjust until you're there. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, I can't get it exact. It only lets me do so much here. Slide the compass down the vector, looking at the vector. Once you get to the end of the ray, at the end of the arrow, make an arc, and that's the intersection is where P2 is going to go. Okay, same thing. I'm going to have to slip or rotate here. End of the compass on A, and then the pen or pencil is going to be on P3. And I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I'll just have to leave it there again. Yes. I'm going to slide down the ray, and once I get to the end of the ray, I am going to make an arc, and that would be P3. So now we have to label those 3 points, and we also have to connect our triangle. P1 prime, P2 prime, and P3 prime. And it should look like the same triangle, just sliding it down. Because if you remember, translations preserve distance and angle measure. So let's connect and see what we got here. Okay. Connect here. See how it's hard for me to do it perfect, so mine might be a little off. It won't, sometimes it just won't let me connect exactly where I want it. All right, so there is the translation construction.